Hello, the clinic is delighted to bring you our brand new Gait and Motion foot scanner. This top of the range scanner has 4,000 minute little sensors within it to visually represent the exact picture of the plantar surface of our foot. This data is used to build an ideal picture of our walking mechanics and gait. It can also be linked to the Belgium lab where PHITS produce their 3D custom orthotics. We're hoping that the technology we utilise will help with our gait appointments. Gait is one of those areas of biomechanics which is notoriously not reliable, so by utilising actual data from our foot scan, we're hoping that we can build patient reports that are accurate and precise. The Gait and Motion foot scanner will measure both dynamic and static data. The dynamic data is very useful for getting a great representation of how we're walking. It uses a minimum of 6 foot strikes per foot, so we get to see the actual heel strike moving on to the forefoot and then toe off in real time. We can then slow that down and change it into 2D or 3D visual data. As well as this, we also do a static test. The static test can be really useful for assessing people's ankle proprioception, hip stabilisation and various different things. As well as its uses with our MSK services like osteopathy, sports therapy and physiotherapy, we're also getting this kit to assist with our foot health clinic, which runs daily throughout the week. New evidence is slowly emerging that pressure sensitivity should be included in a diabetic foot health check. The reason for this is something called peripheral neuropathy. When diabetic patients get to a stage where the nerves in their feet are no longer giving them back stimulation, they're unable to feel where they're putting down the most pressure on their foot. This is where a foot scan can come in perfectly because the places of highest pressure are shown as red, and in the mountain peak view it will heighten, so we'll easily be able to see where the most pressure is applied through the foot. With this information we can then provide our foot health practitioners with the tools they need to be able to offset pressure areas in the foot by creating them custom insoles, orthotics, which the PHITS lab in Belgium will be able to produce for us. Custom insoles traditionally are used in what's called a CAD/CAM way, so they're built bit by computer and then sometimes manually put together. PHITS do it a different way. They use a specialised type of powder to form a complete 3D printed orthotic in one piece. This makes it more robust, tougher, but also more comfortable, and most importantly, it's data driven, so it's very precise and very specific. The insoles are highly adaptable. We can make insoles that fit things like ski boots or football boots, work boots, or just everyday shoes. They don't have to be for a particular condition or a sport. You can just wear insoles that are tailor-made and 3D printed for comfort. These insoles can also be utilised for people with medical conditions. Common medical conditions that we see, plantar fasciitis, Morton's neuroma, or even diabetic peripheral neuropathy, are great for insoles because the insole can be adapted and adjusted exactly for your needs. So how have we implemented this to our clinic appointments? Well, we've created 3 brand new appointment types which you can find on our website or speak to reception about. This is Gait Analysis with Footscan technology, Gait Analysis with custom orthotics, and Footscan for foot health. The Gait Analysis with Footscan technology is simply you walking on the pressure plate. We'll take the measurements with our new software, and the MSK practitioner will also do a manual gait assessment on you. You'll then receive a detailed report with their feedback printed on it. The Gait Analysis appointment with orthotics is exactly the same. You'll still receive your full report, but we'll also build you bespoke 3D printed orthotics as well. The Foot Health with Footscan technology appointment, great for people suffering with a medical condition like Morton's neuroma or Charcot-Marie tooth, as well as a biomechanical condition like plantar fasciitis.